Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. I'm back with another video, and this video has been due for a while, and I thought why not on a day when I just got my hair colored and my hair are blow dried and in their best behavior. I thought good time, makeup free face, just some skincare, no earrings, but I really want to unbox and myself see what's there in this Sephora bag that's been lying with me for a while. The event happened 2-3 days ago and I've just not opened it because I was like, no, I have to unbox it, I have to make a video, and I want to like do a try on with you guys. So this is the Sephora bag that was given to us on the day I attended the House of Sephora event. Last year I couldn't attend, but I heard lots about what the goodies in this bag were really worth it. They were really nice and all of that. And as a makeup junkie, it's just great to be able to get access to great brands and great launches and great products. So let's unbox this. This is how this bag looks like. It says House of Sephora, and this is how it is. Let's see. I'm going to give you guys a glimpse before I take a glimpse. All the products in it. Can you see? I only can't see. Okay, I can't even give you guys. Ooh, that's a lot of goodies. Let's see. We'll start randomly. What is this? Okay, so we will start randomly. The Sephora Beauty Pass. Unlock exclusive gifts and benefits. What's in store for you? Okay, later. There's a mask. It's the Biocellulose mask. Caviar Extract Biocellulose Mask by Unitouch. I really need to start masking. I have not tried any masks I've received recently, but I definitely want to start masking soon. Great. Oh, there's Aveda. This is the Smooth Infusion Anti-Frizz Shampoo. Okay, I really want to try this because my hair are extremely frizzy. This is blow dried, of course, but originally they are too frizzy. I also got my hair cut, by the way, guys. They'd gone too long. So this is the anti-frizz. I've not tried the anti-frizz range from Aveda, and Aveda is like completely flower and plant essential and natural hair care brand. I really like their products. How cute is this mini Sephora mix palette? This is what it is. It's an eye palette. Okay, the honking will never stop, guys. Oh, how nice. It's a beautiful eye palette. Check this out. Nice and easy to carry. It's in the shade Peach Powder, and it's a peachy eye palette. I love Sephora. Personally, I love Sephora makeup. Sephora brand Sephora makeup. Their lip colors and everything is great. Next up is Milk Makeup. I love Milk Makeup products. Oh, I already used this. This is a grip set and refresh spray. Oh, I love that it's mini. I can carry it in my travels. This is a very good hydro makeup spray. Milk Hydro Grip Set. It's like a fixing spray, makeup fixing spray, and it's really good. I love it. I have a big size also, but this small sizes really come handy. Next, one of my favorite, Pixi. I really like Pixi stuff. This is the Tinted Lip Balm by Pixi. It's in the shade Peachy. I'm getting a lot of peachy shades. Look at that. Next we have Sol de Janeiro. This is their new launch. This is the vitamin infused lotion. This is the Boom Boom range only. It's a lightweight daily moisturizing lotion, and I'm actually using it. I had attended the launch of this and I loved it, so I'm glad I have a restock. Next up I have Laneige. This is the glowy makeup serum. Okay, this I had a very tiny mini and I've been meaning to get my hands on this, so good I have this. This is a really good product. I've actually used a very tiny mini and I loved it, how it felt on the skin. Let me show you. This I'm definitely keeping on my table right now. Look at that. Oh my god, I love this. It's a very nice glowy serum from Laneige. It really adds a beautiful glow to your skin. I love Laneige products. Wow. Actually, I have nothing much on my skin today. Didn't have any time, rushed to the salon in the morning. So, you see the glow it adds to your skin. Wow, I love it. I've actually only used a very tiny bit of it, so I'm glad I have a bigger size. Okay, what is this? I've seen this bottle. This is the 310X Hydrify Gloss Mist. This is a hair mist. Instant shine, heat and UV protection, frizz control. Wow. for all hair types. This is like a hair mist. I've never used this brand and I've never used this product, but a hair mist looks interesting, and especially if it can add glossiness and it can actually be anti-frizz, nothing like it. So looking forward to trying this. This is called the Gloss Mist. The packaging is damn cute. Never tried this brand, so looking forward to trying it. I'm literally just putting my hand in and taking out whatever's coming. Okay, I've been meaning to get my hands on this product. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Stick. Okay, I've been meaning to get my hands on it, but I've been meaning to get my hands on a particular shade which has not yet been sent to me. But wow, this is a nude shade. Looks nice. I'm definitely giving you guys a quick swatch. This is one of their best products because it's like this balmy lip color, tinted lip balm. Look at that. Apparently it's fab, but I don't know about this shade. Formula is amazing. This shade is obviously a little too dark for me, but looks nice. Like, I'm not a very brown nude person in terms of lip colors, so I mean it's okay in terms of a color, but in terms of formula it's fab. This is a great product from Fenty. Wish they'd sent me the pinkish shade that I really want, but it's okay. This is a great product, by the way. If you like it, try another shade, but you'll like it. Okay, Shiseido has sent this is the Shiseido Gentle Cleansing Cream. Interesting. Shiseido has great products. This is how this looks like. Gentle Cleansing Cream. This looks like a cleanser. Oh, what is this? Oh, Givenchy. This is the Rose Perfecto Lip Balm. Moisturizes and plumps healthy luminous color. Wow, I've never tried Givenchy's product, guys. I've never tried anything from their range, so this is great packaging. Looks like a great product. Ooh, look at that. This looks really luxe, and I already have a lip balm on, though this looks like more like my shade. Yeah, definitely. It's a beautiful color and a very good formula. Very rich, very smooth. And I shouldn't be mixing lip balms, but I have got no chill, so looks very nice. I love lip balms. I could literally have a room full of lip balms, tinted lip balms especially. Okay. Ooh, absolutely love. This is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush Matte. It's their blush in the shade Happy. Happy is a beautiful shade. So Hope and Happy are two pinks that I love from Rare Beauty. This one I've never tried. I've not got the PR of this, and I've been meaning to try this. It's basically the matte bouncy blush. It's in the shade Happy and looks very nice, though I don't have any base on, but I just want to see. Wow, my goodness, guys, look at that. I've only used Rare Beauty's cream products. I've not really used their powder products, but this is so smooth for a matte formulation. It's not that powdery, and I'm not a very cream product person. I'm not a very powder product person, but this is a great blush. So I've never tried this one. This is the first time I've literally opened it in front of you guys. Very happy with this. Next I have Benefit. This is the Professional. This is obviously their OG face primer. Love it, and I love small sizes because then I can travel with them, so definitely need this. I have NARS, guys. This package is definitely worth it. So good. This is in the shade No Strings. It's the explicit lipstick. Until now I've received very dark shades and peachy shades of the explicit lipstick, which is great from NARS. This seems like my shade. Ooh, again, it's a little rusty pink. It's not pink actually. Wow, guys, look at this color. It's so pretty. The explicit lipstick from NARS is a beautiful formula. Can't try it right now, but this is how it looks. Very nice. Love it. And then I have Unitouch Oil Balance Face Serum. What is this face serum? It's very tiny, huh? Okay, I'm not opening this. Next we have, oh my god, look at this perfume, guys. Now this looks amazing. I'm definitely looking forward to trying it. Actually, let's open it. Look at that. I think the pink one is what I've heard of, but this also looks so nice. Ooh, smells so good, guys. Oh my god, it's got this. Oh my god, this is heaven. This smells incredible. This is my kind of perfume. I love it. This is a fragrance. I'm just straight away putting it in my bag. This is so me. Absolutely love it. What is this? It smells of rose, guys, and I love rose. So I'm actually gonna mention it down below. I love this. First impressions, I'm in love. I think we are done. I think we have 1 or 2 more products. Oh, this is the dark spot targeting treatment essence from Clarins, one of the first skincare brands I ever used, and I love Clarins. Last I have, oh wow, you know, when I attended the event, I checked this out. This is a new launch from Sephora. It's their Juicy Lip Tint. Fabulous formula. Absolutely love it. I'm not opening it right now. We'll do it in another video, but this is fab. I was really hoping to try it. I think we are done. No, we have 1 more. Oh, we have 2 more products. Okay. Next we have Melixir Vegan Lip Butter with Agave. This is in the shade Nudie Rose. When you say nude rose, I know it's my shade because I love nude rose. Wow. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Can I show you? Okay, it's a very sheer lip balm, and this is my kind of product. Again, I like to wear such kind of lip balms on an everyday basis. So straight away, there's certain products that are straight away going in my bag like this and like this. So good. I'm keeping them separately already. Last, I have the Milk Makeup Grip Primer. This is the Hydro Grip Primer. I think that was the setting spray, and this is the primer. Damn cute. It's a small tiny bottle which can come really handy again when you travel and you don't want to carry big size, full size products. And that's done, guys. This is all that is part of the Sephora bag. Absolutely loved it. Everything is great. It's actually worth the hype. A lot of people hype about this Sephora bag, and I thought whether it's really worth the hype, but really it's very chosen products that are given very, very useful, very, very interesting, and really nice products that I'm really meaning to try. And some actually I've also never tried, like this, like these I've never tried, so I'm actually looking forward to trying it. NARS lipstick, Givenchy lip balm, everything is so fancy. Love it. Thank you, Sephora. Absolutely love. I'm going to link these products down below for you guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.